Legal decisions might not be the flashiest part of building a startup, but they're among the most important. In this lesson, we'll cover the legal essentials every founder should know, including incorporation, intellectual property, and compliance. First up is incorporation. Forming a legal business entity protects your personal assets and sets your startup up to raise money, issue equity, and operate professionally. The most common structure for startups is the C Corporation, especially if you plan to raise venture capital. It offers flexibility for equity and is recognized by U.S. investors. Incorporating in Delaware is popular because of its business-friendly laws and startup precedent. But you'll still need to register in the state where you operate and comply with local tax requirements. Next is intellectual property, or IP. Your startup's most valuable assets are often intangible: your code, your brand, your content. Protecting them is critical. Start with trademarks. These protect your brand name, logo, and tagline. Filing a trademark helps you own your identity and avoid disputes. Do a trademark search early before committing to a name. Patents protect inventions, like a novel algorithm or a hardware design. They're expensive and time-consuming, so not every startup needs them. But if you're in deep tech, health, or hardware, consider talking to a patent attorney early. Copyrights cover creative work like text, images, software code, or video. Your product may include multiple copyrightable elements. For most software startups, copyrights and trade secrets matter more than patents. Employee and contractor agreements should include IP assignment clauses. This ensures that any code or content created for your company actually belongs to the company. Without these agreements, ownership can get murky. Next, let's talk compliance. If you collect user data, you need to comply with privacy laws like GDPR, CCPA, or HIPAA, depending on your audience and industry. Use clear privacy policies, get consent where needed, and secure your data. Terms of service and privacy policies aren't just formalities, they're legal contracts. Use templates from trusted sources or hire a lawyer to get them right. Make sure they reflect how your product actually works. If you're raising money, make sure your cap table is clean and documented. Use tools like Carta or Pulley to manage equity, stock options, and investor shares. Messy paperwork can kill deals. Founders should also have a formal agreement. A founder's agreement lays out roles, responsibilities, equity splits, vesting, and decision-making processes. It helps avoid conflict and misalignment down the line. As you grow, stay on top of ongoing compliance. This includes filing annual reports, paying business taxes, maintaining licenses, and keeping contracts current. Ignoring these can create costly legal problems later. You don't need to become a legal expert, but you do need to stay aware. Consult a startup-savvy lawyer early and revisit legal strategy as your company evolves. Prevention is far cheaper than fixing mistakes. Let's get your legal foundation set so you can build with confidence.